Hi, I'm Dave McKinney. I'm with ITW Evercoat, and we're going to do some color change filler today. What we're going to do is we're going to mix our filler at 2%, as we encourage always to do. Ensure our fillers mix completely, so the purple turns back to pink. As we mix it up, we just want to ensure that there's no blue hardener left in it, and it's one consistent color. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw it out and draw out any air that's in the product from mixing. And then we're going to apply it to the car. One nice tight wipe after the other. And as we do that, the product goes on pink. And when it's completely catalyzed in 14 to 18 minutes, it turns to the green color. Just like this, as soon as it turns to green, it's ready to sand. You can find out more details at evercoat.com. Thank you.